Hello Olympiad aspirants. Welcome back to the YouTube channel of F2S Olympiads classes. Here I will help you in Olympiad preparation as well as you are going to get the updates and detailed knowledge of various Olympiad exams. We are going to start an Olympiad preparatory series for grade 5 to 7 for mathematics. We start with the preparation of Silver Zone Mathematics Olympiad, where I will teach you to solve the comprehensive book of Silver Zone. In this book, every chapter contains 40 questions, which I have divided in three-part videos of 14, 14 and 12. You will get two videos every week for your respective class. To get the updates of these videos, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Now let's start with the worksheet questions. Grade 5 Silver Zone Comprehensive Book Chapter 2. Question number 15. Okay. How many times 23 should be added to itself such that sum becomes equal to the sum of this number and this number? It means first we have to find the sum of this number and this number. Okay. Then we will find the number of times of 23 should be added, means कि मतलब how many times we can add 23 plus 23 plus 23 such that that sum should be equal to the sum of these two number. So first find the sum of these two number. Okay, so write this number 4 5 6 2 1 3, then 9 5 7 0 1 8 1. Add both of them. 12 carry 1, 7, 9, 6, 6, 12, 2. Okay, this is the sum. Now how many times 23 should be added to itself? So for this, we can just divide this number. So 2, 2, 6, 6, 9, 7, 2. Divide by 23. You will get 98,564. That is in the option number D. The 15th answer is option D. Question number 16. Product of x and y is equal to the product of this and this. If x is equal to 45, find y. So we know x multiply by y, x multiply by y equal to 7, 8, 4, 5, 2, 1 multiply by 540. X we know it is 45. We don't know about y equal to. So if you find the product of 7, 8, 4, 5, 2, 1 with 540, you will get 42 crore 36 lakh 41,340. 42 36 42 36 41 and 340. Now how can we find y? To find y, we have to divide this with 45. So 4 2 3 6 4 1 3 4 0 divide by 45. So if you divide in your notebook this number with 45, so you will get 94 lakh 14,252. 941452. That is in the option number A. 16th answer is option A. Okay. 17. When this is divided by y, it gives the quotient z. Z is equal to the sum of this and this. Find the value of y. So first we have to find the value of z. So z equal to 35 plus 30. That is your 65. And question is saying 3, 6, 1, 8, 6, 4, 7, 5 divide by y equal to 65. Using division fact, y equal to 36186475 divide by 65 है ना, because in the division fact quotient and the divisor can be exchangeable. Okay, so you have to divide in your notebook. You can divide it in your notebook. So you can find by dividing with 65, you will get 5,56,715. 5,56,715, and we can find it in the option number B. 17th answer is option B. 18. A train covers the distance 440 km in 5 hours. Okay. The train takes 12 hours to go from station A to B. To find the distance between A to B. So first time distance equal to, initially it was 440 kilometer, and this time is 5 hours. Okay. In 5 hours, this train travels 440 kilometer. So what is the speed? Speed of train equal to distance upon time. Speed means what? The distance traveled in unit time. So to find the unit time, we will divide it 440 by 5. 5 8s are 88 kilometer per hour. Now the train took 12 hours to complete the distance between A and B. So distance between A and B equal to 88 multiplied by 12. So if we multiply 88 with 12, so we can get 1056 kilometer. This is in the option number A. 18th answer is option A. 19. Make the 6-digit greatest and least number using the digits. This only once. Means we cannot repeat the digits and find the difference. Okay. First write the greatest number. Greatest number, to write the greatest number using the different digits, we can arrange the number in the digits in the descending order. So it will be your 9, 8, 5, 3, 2, 0. Now smallest number, and we have to make 6-digit number. So to write the smallest number using the given digits, we can write the number in the ascending order. But here if we write the number in the ascending order, then 0 will come at the maximum place value, and due to this, number can be of the 5 digits only. So if there is a 1 digit as 0, so we always place the digit at the second highest place value. Okay, so that's why we will write it like this: 2, 0, 3, 5, 8, 9. Now we have to find the difference between these two. 10 minus 9, 1, 11 minus 8, 3, 12 minus 5, 7, 4 minus 3, 1, 8, 8, 7, 7. Answer is 78, 17, 31. This is your in the option number D. So 19th answer is option D. Come to the question number 20. What least number should be added this such that the sum becomes divisible by 51? The least number should be added, है ना? So the number should be divisible by 51. So first what we will do? First we will find the remainder. Divide this number with 51 and we will find the remainder. That remainder is the extra number. If we add the number in the remainder such that it can become the sum as 51, and that number will be added with the dividend, then the whole number will be divisible by 51. So let's do it, then you can understand better. So 2, 9, 7, 9, 4, 0, 3. divide by 51. So you can divide it by yourself. I'm just writing it like this: 2979440 divide by 51. Once you divide in your notebook, so you can find quotient and remainder. Okay. Quotient will be 584203. 584203. And you will get the remainder as 50. Sorry, 50. So if this number will be increased by 1, so the remainder cannot be left there. है ना? If the this number will be increased by 1, remainder is 50, so required number will be your required number equal to dividend minus remainder, that is your 1. It is in the option number B. The 20 answer is option B. 21. What least number should be subtracted from this such that the difference becomes divisible by 38? देखो, if the question is asking about the least number should be subtracted, so that least number will be always your remainder. वो आपका remainder होगा. ठीक है? तो just divide 2076044 divide by 38. You can divide it in your notebook by the long division method. Okay. So number is your 20760 It is divided by 38. 38. So you can find by dividing the long division method, you can find quotient as 54,632 and remainder as 28. Okay. So 54632. Quotient is 54632 and remainder is your 28. This 28 is the extra number which is present here. If it will be removed, then the number will be completely divisible by the number 28. Answer should be D. 21st answer is D. Okay. Question number 22. The product of two numbers is this. If one of the number is 76, then find the another number. The product of first number is given. So suppose second number multiply by 76 equal to your 1813056. So second number will be your 1813056 divide by 76. है ना? If we divide this two number, we can find the second number. So you just divide 1813056 with 76. You can do it in your notebook using long division method. You will find 23,856. 23,856. This should be the second number. It is available in the option number C. 22nd answer is option C. Okay. Come to the question number 23. X is this more than Y. ठीक है? And this more than Z. If Z equal to this, find the value of X plus Y plus Z. Z equal to, we know, Z equal to 5789655. So what will be X? Actually, X is this number more than Z. So X should be X equal to your this plus this. So we can add 098664664. Add both of this, so we will find the X. 5, 14, 1, 15, 1, carry 1, 16, carry 1, 15, carry 1, 12, carry 1, 6. This is your X. And X is this more than y. So y should be this less than. So y equal to 5, 6, 5, 6, 4, 5. 6, 4, 5. There should be subtraction. 0, 8, 9, 9, 0, 7, 5. This is your y. Okay. Now x plus y plus z. ठीक है, तो x plus y plus z equal to your x is the number, x is this is your x, this is your y, and this is your z. Okay, if you add these three number, so you will get 17756,180. It is in the option number D. 17756,180. The 23rd answer is option D. Okay. Now question number 25. When x is multiplied by this, the product is this more than this. So first we have to find the product. So product equal to 191024 more than means addition. 6453. Add both of them. 0 carry 1. 7 5 4 11 2. Product should be this. X multiply by 2495 equal to 214570. Use the division fact. X should be equal to 214570 divide by 2495. You just divide it in your notebook. Just writing it here. What will be the answer after the division here? So answer will be your 86. 86 is the number which will be multiplied with this. So we will find the product of this more than this. Okay? The 24th answer is option B. Got it? Question number 25. A equal to this, B equal to this, C equal to this. Find 2A plus 3B plus 4C. What will be 2A? 2A means 2 multiply by 3586. 2225. After multiplying, you will get, we have to multiply with 3586 triple 25 with 2. 7172450. 7172450. This is your 2A. Okay. Now 3B. 3B means 3 multiply by B. 3B means, okay, so just write 3B equal to 3 multiply by 3526121. If you multiply this 3526121 with 3, you will get 10578363. 10578363. Okay. Now 4C means 4 multiply by 2148 12235. ठीक है. So if we multiply this 2148 12235 with 4, we will get 85, 92, 48, 940. 85, 92, 85, 92, 48, 940. So 2a, 3b plus 4c. Now we have to find sum of these numbers. 2a plus 3b plus 4c. So this is your 2a, this is your 3b, and this is your 4c. If you add these three numbers, you will get 94, 15, 51, 753. Right, 94, 15, 51, 753. And this is available in the option number A. The 25th answer is option A. Okay. Question number 26. Divide this number by 48 and find the remainder. So if we will divide 2629 7024 with 48, so we will get quotient as 547854. 547854 and remainder as 32. Remainder 32 is available in the option number B. The 26th answer is option B. Okay. Come to the question number 27. Sum of four numbers is this. If three numbers are this, find the four number. So to find the four number, first we will add these three number and subtract from this number. To add this three number, to first write this number. I am just starting writing from here. It is your 1, 4, 2, 3, 6, 2, 3, 5, 5, 5, 0. Next is your, I am writing from the right side, 6, 5, 6, 8, 6, 5, 8, 6, 5, 3, 4, 6, 3, 4, 6, 7, 5, 7. Next is your 5, 3, 2, 6, 5, 5, 6. Add these numbers. If we add 11, carry 1, 14, carry 1, 14, carry 1, 20, carry 2, 16, carry 1, 13, carry 1, 16, carry 1, 8, no carry, 8, no carry, 11, carry 1, this one. Now subtract this number from this number. I'm writing the number again. This is your 2, 4, 9, 7, 8, 6, 2, 3, 8, 6, 2, 3, 5, 4, 9, 8, 6, 5, 4, 9, 8, 6. Okay, just put one line here to separate it. Take care. And subtract it from 1, 4, 4, 0, 6, 3, 6, 3, 6, 8, 8, 8, 8, 1, 7. Subtract it from here. 5, 4, 5, 4, 9, 9, 5, 15, 7, ठीक है, 17, 8, 9. Now your 6 minus 1, 5. This is available in the 242, 597, 599, 4545. Available in the option number A. So 27th answer is option A. Come to the question number 28. There are these trees in each row in a garden. If number of rows in the garden is this, find the total number of trees in the garden. So to find the total number of the trees, actually in one row, there are the number of flowers are 69, 86, 465 and total number of rows are 238. So to find all the total flowers, we have to just multiply the total number of flowers equal to 6986,465 multiply by 238. Just multiply it using the conventional method. 6986,465 multiply it with 238. So you will get 166,277,8670. I'm writing here 166,277,8670. This number of flower, and it is available in the option C. 28th answer is option C. Okay. Hope you understood all the answers explained here. If so, please write yes in the comment section. I have provided the link of PDF note of this worksheet in the description box. You can download it from there. And if you want to practice more such questions, you can download our app from the Play Store and can buy the test series of your respective class. Thanks for watching.